Do you have a media outreach strategy? If you don't already have a media outreach strategy for your business, it is time to create one. What is media outreach? Many online businesses focus on grabbing the attention of the target audience in order to get them to make a purchase at the website. Media outreach, on the other hand, focuses on the media, that is, journalists and media outlets, creating attention for and understanding their brand and business. Media such as reporters and top bloggers are always looking for content which will appeal to their target audience. Your information could be just what they need to impress their readers. Effective media outreach. There are two main ways to reach out to the media effectively. One is to use a press release distribution service. There are free and paid ones. Media representatives go to these sites to search for content related to the topic they wish to write about, or scan the release to see what's new and interesting so they can report the findings to their readers. If they pick up your story, your business could get a huge amount of traffic and even a sales boost. Pitch to the media. This is harder than using a press release distribution service, but the results can be great media coverage and the potential to build a relationship with a media rep who is genuinely interested in what you are doing and what you have to say. Pitching involves presenting them with a story that is so compelling they will want to spread the word. You will need to research which publications and which journalists are interested in your niche. For large publications, you can research which editors cover your topic. Once you have a database of people to approach, go through the list one by one. Be polite and professional. If you are wondering, when should you pitch? The answer is when you have big news, such as a product launch, an award, a live event coming up online or in the real world, or other major newsworthy change to your business. Don't ignore local tie-ins. Some local newspapers are always looking for newsworthy items for their readers. You are much more likely to get both in print and online coverage with a smaller publication if you are really targeted and relevant to their readership's needs. Planning your press release. You can't do effective media outreach without good press releases. There are a few essentials that will make it stand out. Write a great headline. Your headline will be the first and often the only thing they will ever see. Make it as interesting as possible so that your email recipients will be eager to learn more. Make it clear and concise because there's no room for padding or fluff. Be sure it is news, not a sales pitch. Remember, it needs to read like a real news story, not an ad. Take the time to add images. Studies have shown that press releases which have images and/or video are much more likely to get picked up than those which don't. Now that we've covered what media outreach is, start planning more press releases to distribute and stories to pitch, and see what a difference it can make to traffic and sales. And your list size.